Cambridge Scientific Labs now has our very own fully furnished laboratory incubators for rent. Conveniently located in East Watertown, Massachusetts, our labs are furnished with equipment supplied with Cambridge Scientific's expansive inventory of new and refurbished quality laboratory equipment. We are now home to over a dozen startups, as well as established labs with additional labs underway. With over 20 years of experience selling and servicing lab equipment, we can provide our labs with everything needed to operate a fully functioning BL2 laboratory. Whether you are doing tissue culture, wet chemistry, or anything in between, all the laboratory equipment Cambridge Scientific has to offer is available to our tenants, all serviced and maintained by Cambridge Scientific staff of trained technicians. Our lab spaces include fully stocked kitchens, shared and private offices, and multiple conference rooms. Each tenant even gets their very own lab representative to help with the purchasing of additional items and needed consumables. We also provide lab coats and biohazard waste removal. Environmental health and safety services are also included. We even offer monthly lab safety training. Feel free to browse our warehouse for any additional items needed. Specialized equipment can often be made available for short-term rental or lease.